Hi, I'm Don from Don Drones On. Here's a product review of these Soundpeats Capsule3 Pro Plus earbuds. These earbuds were provided to me by Soundpeats in exchange for a review, and while I'm very grateful for receiving the product, I'll give you guys an absolutely honest assessment of them with pros and cons. Let's get into it. First impressions count. The slick packaging and stylish appearance of these earbuds leads to a very good first impression. Honestly, they look more like some kind of jewelry than the usual blobs of plastic we stuff in our ears, and this is a very good start. Comfort-wise, the Pro Plus earbuds are great. I was able to listen to music for hours without any problem. They slip into your ears easily, and the stem style makes it easy to, screw them in and ensure that they're secure. They don't fall out. They come with 3 sizes of gel tips, and I was happy with the medium ones that came on the buds right out of the box. Now, 3 sizes of gel tips is fewer than what some other earbuds come with, but one difference is that the part that goes into your ear is elliptical in profile instead of circular. I think this helps the Capsule 3s to press into the ear canal more securely and comfortably, and to form a good seal. I should mention that setting up and connecting the earbuds was a breeze. They come out of their case in Bluetooth pairing mode, and you just pair them to your phone the usual way. A really nice feature is the Soundpeats Audio app. It shows your battery levels and stuff like that, and offers key functions right up front. It allows you to choose your equalizer profile with 9 built-in presets, plus the option to create your own custom equalizer settings. Nice. Now, there is one weird function within the app called Adaptive EQ. This is basically like a built-in hearing test, which you can then use to have a sound setting adapted to your own hearing profile. When I tried it, it sort of suggested I was deaf at the higher frequencies. Now, I realize my hearing is going, but is it really that bad? Well, maybe it is. Anyways, another really nice feature of the app is the ability to customize the functions associated with the various taps you use to control the earbuds. For example, by default, a single tap on the right side is volume up and a left tap is volume down. But you can reverse that if you want. And you can customize the functions associated with a single tap, double tap, triple tap, and a long press for either the left or right earbud. That's cool. The earbuds come in a nice, stylish charging case. It uses a USB-C connection for charging, but it doesn't work with a wireless induction charger, which is a bit of a surprise, but not really a showstopper. The earbuds are rated for a playtime of 6.5 hours or a total of 43 hours when you include the charging capacity of the case. While we're talking about the case, I'll mention one minor quibble. The Capsule 3s do turn on and off automatically when you use the case, but they don't have an ear aware feature. So if you take them out of your ears and just set them down on a counter, not in the case, they will remain connected to your phone. This actually caught me once. I took the earbuds out and put them down and received a phone call, and the sound went to the earbuds instead of to my phone. Now, not a big deal, but something that Soundpeats should consider for their next model. Okay, what about the sound? Well, in short, fantastic. Music is rich and full, with plenty of bass and higher notes. Combine that with the numerous equalizer options you have through the app, and it's really great. Now, I'm not an audiophile, but I've tried plenty of different earbuds, and these are certainly top-notch. Podcasts and telephone calls are also crystal clear. From a technical perspective, the Capsule 3 Pro Plus earbuds feature XMEMS microspeakers with 12mm dynamic drivers. They're high-res certified, LDAC supported, and use Bluetooth version 5.3. Now, if you're an audio techie, these are features you're probably looking for. But for me, it just adds up to great sound. And to add to the sound quality, these earbuds offer active noise cancellation of up to 45 dB. I tested the noise cancellation using this noisy air conditioner. It really worked well to suppress the annoying sound of the AC without distorting the music. And they also have a pass-through option that essentially amplifies conversations and stuff like traffic noise through the earbuds, so you have better environmental awareness. Again, it works great without any noticeable distortion. Nice. You can choose the noise canceling, pass-through, or normal modes on the app, or cycle through them with taps if you customize your tap functions. Okay, so let's talk about the price. The list price for the Soundpeats Capsule3 Pro Plus earbuds is $90 US or $139 Canadian. But if you use my discount link in the description below the video, you'll receive a 25% discount, bringing them down to $68 US or 104 Canadian. That is a very good price for wireless earbuds with such great sound, with great noise canceling, and nice customization options. And they look great too. I'm impressed and would certainly recommend them for yourself or for a gift. There's a link in the description down below if you'd like to check them out. Thanks for watching.